Dear student, how are you? Hope you are keeping well. I am missing you a lot. I am not with you in the classroom. As my update, I am trying to discuss according to your syllabus. Dear student, welcome you again to my online class English first paper. I am Shiprani De, assistant teacher, Jafarnagar SC High School. I am going to discuss my class in digital content. Let us go to enjoy the class.
Dear student, see the picture in the slide. What can you see in the picture? I know you will say this is National Memorial of Bangladesh. Where is it? Yes, it is situated at Sabar. Why was it built? It was built in commemorate of supreme sacrifice of the national martyrs of our country who laid down their lives for the liberation war. So I am discuss you Unit 3 Lesson 5 Independence Day. Now write the meaning of the following word. Traverse, a strong feeling of excitement. Martyrs, someone killed because of political or religious beliefs. Displace, act of performing skill. Liberation, freedom. Violent, brave, alike in a similar way. Read the text. Dear student, open at page num 36 of your textbooks and read the text on Independence Day. 26 March, our Independence Day is the biggest state festival. This day is celebrated every year in the country with great emotions and traverse. It is a national holiday. All office, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31 gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the national place floral wreath at the National Mausoleum at Sabar. The other leader political parties, diplomat, social and cultural organization, educational institution and freedom fighter pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there with relays and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day, highlighting the heroes' struggle and sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnessed a sculptor, Traders Defense Force, Border Guard, Police Awareness and the BDP Village Defense Part at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scout and girls guide take part in the various display to entertain thousands of sculptor educational institutions also arrange their individual program. Sport meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful light. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other social cultural organizations had culture function. Similar function are also arranged in other places in the country. Dear student, write answer of the following question. Where is the National Mausoleum located? The National Mausoleum is located at Sabar. What is the biggest state festival in our country? 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival in our country. How does the day begin? The day begins with 31 guns saluted. What does Bangla Academy hold? Bangla Academy holds cultural function. Dear student, now answering the short question. Every year we celebrate our Independence Day with great anthems. Who plays Wreath of the National Museum at Sabar on behalf of the nation? The President and the Prime Minister. On this day, tribute is paid to the war martyrs. The national playground is near the National Parliament. Exciting boat race in held in the river Buriganga. People for all work of life go to Sabar with rallies and processions. On Independence Day, public buildings are illuminated in the evening. Dear student, write down your home text. Write a paragraph on the national memorial of your own word within 75 words. No more today. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Soon, see you again the next class.